In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify your address on Binance, a crucial step known as proof of address or residential address verification. This process is often necessary for identity verification, also known as Know Your Customer, or KYC, upgrading your verification level, or unlocking fiat deposit and withdrawal features. So, what exactly does verify address mean on Binance? In essence, it involves Binance requesting you to upload a document that clearly displays both your name and your home address. The purpose of this is to confirm that the address you've entered in your Binance account is not only real, but also up to date. Let's walk through the steps of uploading your proof of address on Binance. Keep in mind that these steps may slightly differ based on your location or the version of the app you are using, but they generally follow a similar path. First, you'll want to log into your Binance account, whether you're on the website or the mobile app. Once you're in, navigate over to the Account section. From there, you'd typically find an option labeled Identification or Verifications. You might also see it named something like Get Verified Plus, or even Address Verification, or Proof of Address. In some instances, you might need to select an option to upgrade your verification level, such as transitioning to Verified Plus, to trigger the prompt for address verification. When you reach this stopping point, carefully enter your residential address, ensuring that it perfectly matches what's on your proof of address document. Don't skip any details here. Include everything from the house number and street to the city and zip code. The next step involves choosing the type of document you'll use as proof of address. Common choices here include a utility bill, a bank statement, or any relevant government document. Go ahead and upload the document and make sure it meets a few important criteria. The entire document should be visible, showing all edges and corners. It should be clear and easy to read, without any blurs or reflections, and importantly, it should remain unedited and unmodified in any deceptive ways. It also needs to clearly show the issue date, your name and address, and the issuer's name. Once everything looks good, submit your proof of address. Binance will mark it as under review, and from here, it's a small waiting game. Typically, approval will take between 1 to 3 business days, although in certain regions, it could stretch up to 3 or 4 days. Binance will notify you of the outcome either through email or directly via the app. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll have verified your address on Binance without any hiccups. Thank you for watching, and if you found this guide useful, be sure to check out more of our videos for helpful tips and tutorials on using Binance and other platforms.